The Department of Homeland Security has publicly acknowledged that foreign spies may have used surveillance equipment to track cell phone calls in Washington, D.C. In November, Oregon Senator Ron Wyden reached out to the Department of Homeland Security requesting more information on the potential use of unauthorized cell phone site simulators. And on March 26th, the Department of Homeland Security sent back a response acknowledging, quote, anomalous activity in the National Capital Region that appears to be consistent with international mobile subscriber identity catchers. While DHS is not able to verify exactly what device was used or the people who may have used it, they have detected activity consistent with cell site simulators. Typically the size of a briefcase, cell phone site simulators work by tricking mobile devices into locking onto them instead of legitimate cell towers, revealing the exact location of a cell phone. Lawmakers raised concern about the use of these devices in 2014, forcing the FCC to respond saying they, quote, created a task force to combat illicit and unauthorized use of the devices. But there is no evidence that much has been done in response to that.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.